Last Christmas, Krista had a very clever idea that she used for special family gifts. Krista, can you explain what you did?
Yes, very easily. I started first thinking about putting Christ into Christmas a little bit more because he is the reason for the season. So first of all, and July is the time of year where people start thinking about Christmas in July, and it may take you a while to collect baskets. And you can get them from stores, or you can get them from stores that are like the DI or Goodwill or something. And so when you find baskets, you collect them all different sizes. Red is especially good because it's Christmas color. Now, when I started with my basket, I wanted to have a theme because I'm going to put fruit in this. And the first fruit that I think of, it's a housewarming gift. In the East, everyone knows that the pineapple is a great gift to send as a welcoming gift. And it's beautiful in the basket. And I always start with that in the bottom because that is going to be your biggest piece of fruit. You can use fruit that you have around the season, but there are certain fruits that I use in particular. I always start with this and then a pomegranate because pomegranate is noted to be a Christmas fruit. And I always put an avocado in because it's just a fun fruit to have, even though I'm not sure if it's a fruit. Pears are also known as a plentiful fruit, so I use apples and pears, and I like to have a variety of colors. And I always put in also a mango, because mango is a gift that is very healthy for you, and a lot of the Asian countries pickle them. So a mango is a great color. It's got the Christmas colors in it. So those are some of the ideas. Of course, you can put apples. The bananas, you have to be a little careful because bananas ripen so quickly. So if you're going to use this gift basket to give to someone, you want to give your gift basket quickly, especially if you have bananas. And I always put the bananas on the top and within a day. A lemon is a great also addition because these are great for keeping fruits preserved. They're also used in desserts like your lemon breads and things like that. So a lemon, I just try to make my basket as pretty and as colorful as possible. But these are some of the fruits that I suggest. Pineapple, number one, and you only need one. A pomegranate, an orange, an avocado, grapes, apples, pears, and you can add anything else you want. Once I have my basket that I picked up at the DI, then I know I've got to make some beautiful bow. So you can pick Christmas plaids. Those are great things. Anything Christmassy, and you make a pretty bow. I also have tags, and these say, this is what the theme is, by their fruits ye shall know them. That's a famous scripture. Fruit is life, hospitality, the love of God, and taste his love during this holiday season. So I have printed out, and I tried to find online fruit ribbon, and I typed in Bounty, could not find anything, so that's why you can use any ribbon. But the tags have the fruit that you're using in your basket, And it just shows that you're spending more time thinking of him rather than what you're getting. Also, your tags can have a little hole. You can put a string, and then you can tie it to the handles if you have a handle, or you can tie it to the edge.
Or the ribbon, yeah.
Yeah, but it's a fun way. And here's the thing: if you have children that are living outside of your state, you can't really send them a gift basket. So I got online and I looked under FTD, and they have gift baskets that are fruit baskets. So you can mail a gift basket from their area and have it shipped. It's a little more costly than you making it yourself. But when my daughter that lived in Portland received hers, she loved it. And it was a very unique basket. It was not something I would have picked, but she got the point. It was a gift, and she knew. But the other thing is, my sister-in-law told me that during the holiday season, this was especially good because she and her husband had been sick, and they hadn't been able to go out and get any groceries. And so this is what they lived on while they were down and not feeling good. But it's a great gift that you can send to someone for Christmas.
Thank you, Krista. And I might add, Joanne designed the tags so that it can be downloaded. It's on our website, so that you can just sign your name at the bottom.
Yeah, this part is blank, will be blank, and you can just
And
write
you
in
sign your
name.
own name. So, thank you, Krista.